Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna finally start the printer on the Fysetc Venture XL. It's been a long time coming. I did some stuff off stream that wasn't really pertinent to show y'all, but like putting all these little things in here. You can kind of see the corners. I put those in. I attached the screen, which was pretty self-explanatory. Again, that one cable going across into the box, it mentions in there that those two magnets, one has to go on either side for the signal or whatever it may be, I'm not sure. But as you can see, I built this stand to put it on, and I'll kind of just pan down real quick so you can see. I put the casters at the bottom, and then I also made these feet. Canuck creator, actually, he sent me the file. Well, I had to redo it because they did not tap these holes. Okay, these small holes are supposed to be tapped here. They are not tapped. Okay, so I had to use the 4 mounting here, which 2 are in the end of the extrusion, and then these 2 are in M5 T-nuts. So I went ahead and took these, put it in that file, okay? And then I made these little ends to have it sit so it kind of pinches it on there. There's nothing really holding it on there. The weight of the printer is just holding it. But this is keeping it from falling off the edge on all 4 sides, okay? At the bottom underneath this right here, this is ABS, okay? So it's not very shock absorbent. I put two 2mm pads of cork on there to try and dampen it from vibration. So that's what I did. I built the stand 36 inches from here to there. And then the casters add about another, I'm going to say 3 inches, okay? In total, when you look at how big it is, okay, I'm 6'1", and the printer is 75 inches, okay, when I measured it. 74 and a half, 75, same thing. But I actually really like this size because the screen is right at a perfect height. It's not low. I don't have to bend down to it. This is just sitting here because the new design of what I had to do here, I could not get the screw that holds that camera to that mount. I could not fit it in the supplied file, okay? So what I did was I redid the file, and I had it so I can push this through, pull this down, and it locks onto the piece here, and then I can just point this down. So you'll see that when I go over my overall opinion and thoughts of the build in the printer. But yeah, this will be the first time ever turning it on. And yeah, let's hope for the best. Okay, I got a lot of lights going on. I got a green on each of the mean wells, a red, a blue, a green, and a yellow. The screen is on. Clipper is attempting to start. So here, let me pull you guys a little closer. So we'll just give it a minute and let it do its thing. Again, this is my first printer build ever, so I don't know what it's doing, but it's attempting to start. Oh, it says something else now. Has encountered an error. A firmware restart may fix the issue. MCU SP unable to connect. Once the underlying issue is corrected, use the... Okay, so it's unable to connect to the SP combo, it looks like. So we'll snap a picture here. I'm going to try restart and see what happens. So I just restarted the firmware. So now we'll see what happens. Okay, so I was just told that I have to change the UUIDs. And you know what, guys? I want to give another shout out. I know I've done it in previous videos, but I want to give another shout out to LTX Design. I'm sitting here messaging him right now, and he's really helping me out to get this going. It's not, he doesn't even have to do that, and I can't tell you how appreciative I am that he is helping me out right now, get this going. So here, he just gave me some instructions how to get the IP address. So, network. So he's telling me I gotta go and connect to Wi-Fi from the printer. And then I'll be able to see it from the computer. Okay, so now it says starting Wi-Fi association, and then it says interface WLAN 0192, and it gives me my IP address. So what I'm going to try to do now is I'm going to try and connect to the printer. I'm going to go to my web browser.